Question number 34. The elements of a 3 cross 3 matrix A are the product of its row and column indices Aij is equal to I times j, where I and j run over 1, 2, 3 because it's a 3 cross 3 matrix. The eigenvalues of A's are, what are the eigenvalues? This is a problem we are going to solve now. The first thing is we need to write the given matrix. In general, the 3 cross any 3 cross 3 matrix can be written as the Ij 3 cross 3 matrix. It is a first element, the first row, first column. It's a first row, second column, the first element. The third row, third column, the first row, so third element of the first column. So then what you got to do? The second row, first column element A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. But these are the elements they didn't give, but they gave one idea. The ijth element of this A matrix is equal to I times j. That means the two subscript multiplication will give the corresponding matrix element. So what you got to do? Just you multiply that indices, then the subscript, it will give the element. 1 into 1 it will be 1, 1 into 2 it will be 2, 1 into 3 it will be 3. So 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. These are the elements for the given matrix A. Now we need to find the eigenvalue because they want to know what are the eigenvalues for A. So we know the eigenvalue equation. What are the eigenvalue equation? That should be equal to the matrix minus lambda times the unitary matrix. That determinant goes to 0. If you are solving, we will get the eigenvalue. Here lambda represents the eigenvalue, I is a unit matrix, A is a given matrix. This is the eigenvalue equation. So first we need to substitute the given matrix. The determinant should be there. The matrix is 1 2 3 2 4 6 3 6 9 minus lambda time the unitary matrix. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. The unitary matrix should be 3 cross 3 matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This determinant goes to 0. So if you are subtracting these two, 1 minus lambda I, lambda 1, so 2 3, so it will be 2 3, then 2 lambda into 0 2, 4 lambda into 1, it's 4 minus lambda 6. Only the diagonal element should get subtracted by the lambda if you are solving. So 3 6, then 9 minus lambda, that determinant goes to 0. If you are solving this one, you will get this determinant, it will be 0. So now what we want to do? We want to solve that determinant. You can put the one column. This column we are going to solve. So keep this element, then this column, this row will go. Then you will need to take the determinant of the sub matrix. So 1 minus lambda if you are keeping, what would happen? 4 minus lambda times 9 minus lambda minus 6 6 are 36. So then you got to keep the second one minus 2. This is a method of finding the determinant, we already know. So you got to leave this column, this row. So 2 into 9 minus lambda minus 3 6 are 18. Then the plus the third element of the first row times, you got to leave this column, this row. So 2 6 are 12 minus 3 times 4 minus lambda, this should be equal to 0. So we need to carefully solve this equation to get the eigenvalue. First, what we want to do, first we can simplify this one. Keep the 1 minus lambda inside. If you multiply these two, 4 9, so if you just multiply these two, you get 36 minus 13 lambda plus lambda square minus 36. This is the first bracket. The second bracket, if you are solving, keep the minus 2 outside. 18, 2 9s are 18, minus 2 lambda minus 18. Then if you are solving the keep the 3 outside, solve the inside that bracket. 12 minus 3 4s are minus 12 plus minus 3 minus the minus plus, so plus 3 lambda. This bracket goes to 0. Now you can cancel this 36 with 36, 18 18, this 12 12. So now we will get minus 1 by lambda into the first bracket lambda square minus 13 lambda will be the minus 2 here. Inside the second bracket it will be minus 2 lambda only will be the plus 3, keep it outside. It's a plus 3 lambda would be the, this would be equal to 0. Suppose we want to simplify further, then you have to multiply these two. If you are multiplying these two, you will get first multiply 1 lambda square minus 13 lambda. If you multiply with the minus lambda, it will be plus lambda minus lambda cube minus into minus plus 13 lambda square. Then this will give minus 4 minus minus plus 4 lambda. So you can put plus 4 lambda. 3 3s are 9 plus 9 lambda. This goes to 0. So this is the equation. Now we need to carefully approach this equation. So we can go into a little bit of for so here 4 lambda plus 9 lambda, it's a 13 lambda. Here minus 13 lambda, you can cancel these two. Then we are having 13 lambda square plus lambda square, here minus lambda cube, so minus lambda cube plus 14 lambda square is equal to 0. So this is the equation, the final equation. We need to solve to get the eigenvalue, because it's a cubical equation, so it should have 3 roots. For the 3 root, we need to solve it carefully. So we are having minus lambda cube plus 14 lambda square equal to 0. Take the common thing outside. If you are taking the lambda square outside, it's a minus lambda plus 14 is equal to 0. The one of the roots already we know. So either this if this goes to 0 inside the bracket, or this goes to 0. If lambda square goes to 0, then there are two eigenvalues, lambda 1 equal to 0, lambda 2 is equal to 0. Then if this is goes to 0, then the lambda 3 would be plus 14. So these are the 3 roots of the above cubical equation. That means the eigenvalues for the given matrix is 0 0 14. This is a right answer. So the right eigenvalues of the given 3 cross 3 matrix A, that would be equal to 14 comma 0 comma 0. The option 3 is the right answer.